Ready?
What does will mean? Daddy, what does will mean?
Will ay yung kagustuhan.
Will.
Aha.
Yeah, what does will mean?
Like.
Gusto.
Against my will.
Will.
Coach will.
Beach.
Which? Ah.
No!
Snake. May paa eh. Yan oh. Bang pa lang sa atin.
Oh,
Ito ba?
No, yung isa.
I see.
Yung parang cobra.
Saan?
Yeah, I think I.
There's a snake.
Where is the snake?
Come on. Naglalakad ang snake. Come on. There's a snake.
I didn't see it.
Nasa ilalim mo siya ng ano.
Hindi mami sa inyo. Can you punas me? Tia! Oh.
Come in. Medyo ate siya. Ay, wala. Hindi, ano siya, sila ka din. May kutsata. Souvenir. Yung pakita niya ngayon.
Volcanoes sometimes brown and black. I mean, that's spooky. It's a spider, right? And then you pick a spider. No, and then the fish try to pick a spider.
Okay. Pakita na lang. Kitik sa mami.
Ta-da! Mommy, look! Shy! Mommy, look!
Kitik girl. Alam niyo kung bakit mahaba yung istro na yan?
What?
Sino makakaguess? Makakaguess? Ano sa palagay mo kung bakit ako ito? Ano idea?
Because I makes people.
Baka windy.
Ang sa akin naman at idea palagay mo.
0.9 na.
0.9?
Oh, nasa tayo.
Mister.
Wow! Uy! Ganda naman. Ito ko lang ito pag naulan. Yung bilog mukhang tagpol sila pero yung mahaba na rin, oh.
Can't see
Mahaba.
that.
Fish.
Long.
Can't see the long. Oh yeah, I
Ayun,
see
ang
it.
dami, oh.
I see it.
School. School of
Wait,
fish.
where?
Kaya yung small dot na yan, baka itagpol.
Is that a dragonfly?
Yes.
Yep. Tutubi.
I'm scared.
1 mile. Yan ang grade natin ng college, 1.0.